Welcome to today's science experiment. We are going to find out what chemical change is and how we can create it. So I have two common everyday objects or items from your kitchen with me. I have a bottle of vinegar and a giant bag of baking soda. Why is it so big? We shop at Sam's. So I took some vinegar already and poured it in this beaker. And I wanted to know what would happen if I mix this vinegar, which is an acid, with this baking soda, which is a base. So I'm gonna open up my baking soda, get a little bit of it out, and try this. But first, we know that all experiments need proper scientific wear. Perfect, I'm ready. So I'm going to take my spoon, get a little bit of baking soda, and we are going to see what happens. Did y'all see that? When we put the baking soda, which is a base, inside the vinegar, which is an acid, it bubbled up and fizzed and made a loud sound. I don't know if you could hear it that far away. But now we're left with a very smelly mixture. I wonder what was happening when we mixed the two together. I bet it was creating something. But in order for us to figure out what it was creating, we're going to need some more tools. So I have another graduated cylinder, and we are going to add a few milliliters of vinegar to it. 25 should work well. So now that we have our 25 milliliters of vinegar, I also have a balloon that I already put baking soda inside of. We're going to see what happens when I mix the baking soda with the vinegar inside a closed system. So there's no way for any air to escape. All right, y'all ready? Remember, safety first. Let's see. Wow, look at that. When we mixed the baking soda and vinegar together, it created a gas called carbon dioxide. It's the same gas that we breathe out. Our bodies take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. In the same way, the vinegar and baking soda mixed together to create carbon dioxide with enough pressure to inflate this balloon. If we had had even more, we could have even made the balloon pop. So maybe we'll try that next time. But today, we're just going to look at why acids and bases react like this. It is because they are complete opposites. Just like whenever you're in a dark room and you turn on a light, all the darkness vanishes. Whenever you mix acids and bases together, it always creates some sort of chemical change because the two are so different.